بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. waxaa maanta halkan inoogu yimi wafdi ballaaran oo ka socda waddanka Denmark oo uu hogaaminayo xogayaha Danida iyo safiirka Danida. waddanka Danida waa waddan leh cilaaqaad taariikhi ah runtii kuna leenahay jaariyad ballaaran oo reer Somaliland ah. waxaanu ka wada hadalnay amuuro badan oo la xiriira sidii aynu u xoojin lahayn cilaaqaadkeena iyo iskaashigeena. waxaanu ka wada hadalnay arrimo la xiriira iyada laftigeeda xagga doorashooyinka, mashruuca ay inoo soo mariyaan maalka ee la yidhaahdo Somaliland Development Fund amba SDF, sanduuqa horumarinta Somaliland, iyo amuuro kale oo runtii labada waddan ka dhexeeya. si wanaagsan ayuu shirkaas noogu dhacay alxamdulilah. waxaan rajaynaynaa inuu sii adkeeyo xidhiidhka walbaadka ee laba dal ay lahaayeen. aad baa mahadsantihiin. wassalaamu calaykum waraxmatullahi wabarakaatu.
No, let me begin by saying how happy I am to be back in Somaliland. I was here last in August 2014. How honored I was that the president, was so gracious with his time. I want to begin by saying that Denmark, Danida, and Somaliland has a long history together. We have been partners and friends for many years, and I think our discussions today reflected exactly that strong partnership, that friendship, a friendship where we do not necessarily agree on all things, but where we can provide advice to each other in a friendly and constructive manner. We have discussed many issues. One of the issues we discussed was the drought and the need for both a national response but also a response for the international community. I was happy to advise the president of what he already knew, that Denmark has been swift in its response to address the concerns of the people of Somaliland and to prevent a famine. I was very happy to hear that signs are that rain is now beginning, and I suppose we share the hope that the government has that the rains will continue. Then we've discussed also a number of political matters, amongst them the need to have elections in Somaliland and to stick to the plan which has now been communicated of presidential elections in November, and to, if possible, move forward parliamentary and local elections. From the Danish side, we made it clear that we think it is extremely important that the voice of the people of Somaliland is heard. This will increase legitimacy of government and enable us all to work more effectively towards delivering development and services to the people of Somaliland. But as I said, good and frank discussions as is custom amongst friends.